Lampedusa is not an island. It's many worlds existing side by side. A home, a refuge, a destination. HOSPITIUM, the Lampedusa Project, began as a way to understand what hospitality means here, at Europe's edge, between care and indifference.
You wanted to say something about Mare Nostrum? I'm just following you because I'm going to escape into that room.
Yeah.
We conquered the other spaces as well,
Yeah.
representing your works. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tanja Bucca's exhibition Nessun Isola shows works that the artist made since 2008 until practically today. The exhibition is housed here at the Museo Archeologico delle Pelagie. With the curatorial concept of this exhibition, we conquered the permanent collection, the archaeological collection on the ground floor, as well as the contemporary art collection and the Sala Papale here at the museum with Tanja Bucca's works. The works reflect on the topics of migration and how the fortress Europe changed throughout the past 10 years, how people are treated who are on the move. It's about human dignity and how to give back human rights. The exhibition Nessun Isola also marks the 10th anniversary of Tanja Bucca's immersive projects in the Mediterranean. It started in 2015 with the Museo Project, went on in 2016 to the Aegean Project, and now in 2025 concludes with the Lampedusa Project.
When we installed the work hanging by the thread, I was really shocked how the expression of the faces was. Currently it could be on the Molo today. To work with the sensible topics that I use, it's very important to understand that we are not in a zoo. I don't work over people, I work with people. Like in that case, I worked with the parents of these dead children. The children died in Samos, and I had the possibility to be with the parents for more than half a year. So we shared anger, grief, frustration, and it was also a way for the parents to have a commemoration. HOSPITIUM comes from an ancient idea, the sacred bond between guest and host. Here on the island it becomes a test. How do we live together? How do we care? How do we remember? In Reparabile, we began with repair, learning again how to mend things and relationships. From restoring a boccia cord to an evening of shared food and stories. Each event became a quiet act of reclaiming a community. La Via dell'Altro built a bridge of light, laser beams linking Via Roma and Molo Favaloro, making visible two worlds that never meet, tourism and migration. Nessun Isola challenges the idea of isolation, a space of reflection where all these shared experiences return in the language of textiles and memory. Three projects, three paths across the island, all part of one conversation about coexistence. The work Ci Sono shows the jet of the group that is helping at the Molo Favaloro. Every time a boat arrives, there is a message, how many people and when they are arriving. The usual response is either Ci Sono or just a thumbs up. When I started with that work, I thought, okay, I just do the whole chat from the first day when I started to work there until the 31st of December. And then I realized I embroidered 6 meters to get all the chat for this only 6 weeks. Yeah, the length of the whole thing is 6 meters. And when I started to do it, I did not know that it would become that size. This is the grave of Yusuf, a 6-month-old child that died at sea. He spent more time in his mother's womb than on earth. I made him 2 tiny embroidered shoes, a gift that came too late, a symbol for all those who could not arrive. I work with what I see, what I touch and what I cannot forget. Some stories remain at sea. Some returns with sweat, patience and time. What I carry is not solutions, but but an attempt of remembrance. In the end, the Lampedusa Project is not only about Lampedusa. It's about how we see one another, and if we choose to care.
Vai, vai.